This is a short instruction about how to open bonnet on your Skoda Octavia 2nd generation. You can use the same method also on Skoda Octavia 1st and 3rd generation as well. So first of all, you should stabilize your car, switch off your engine and find a flat place to park your Skoda. Your parking handbrake should be in the upper position as well. Now just find a small lever under the steering wheel. Sometimes it can be on the opposite side of the car. Pull the lever upwards until your bonnet will pop up a little bit. Right now you have to go in front of the car and find other lever under the bonnet around the Skoda emblem. Sometimes bonnet have to be lifted to lever appear. Don't forget to fix the bonnet by vertical rod and be careful when closing. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks and see you next time.